on the behalf of the organizers, I would like to express my greatest gratitude to everybody who managed to find the time on Sunday and who is getting prepared for the intense marathon, as it has already been mentioned today. And we deeply appreciate your time, your effort, and the willingness to broaden the knowledge, then to dive deeper into such up-to-date topics. And as a red line through today's 2-hour session, we are here to make the world a better place. We're here to look for all of the possible available solutions to that are there in the world, right? And mountains, they are as the ground, at the ground of they are the front line. And by addressing this important issue, by uniting us all together, we are taking this step further to find and to found the great and the better world. So while we are moving forward, let us carry all of the inspirations and insights that we gained today and bring them to the next 10 days. So looking forward to seeing all of you within the next days. And it would be a great opportunity for us to make ourselves and the world stronger, resilient, and resistant. Thank you so much.